How to use Edits, an Instagram app. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Edits. You have to make sure that you are logged into a specific Instagram account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is, if you want to import the video in order to edit, click on this plus icon. It will open up a gallery. Inside gallery, select any of the videos that you want to edit. Once you have selected, tap on Add. Now wait for a while for the media to load. Once the video has been imported, now what you want to do is, you will see tons of different features below the screen. First, you can see audio. If you click on it, you will be able to add any of the audio that you want to on Instagram Reels. You can also add text to the video. Click on it and add any of the text that you want to add. Tons of different features for the text will also be available to you. You can adjust and modify the text as per your need. Once done, you can adjust the text range according to your need. You can also do the voiceover in the video by clicking on voice at the bottom and then click on allow. If you click on the red button, it will start to record. Also, you can add the captions to it. If your video has the audio, then the auto caption will be generated. You can also add different types of sound to it by clicking on sound effects. Select any of the sound that you want to add. Not only that, you can also use the cutout feature. Once done, you can add the stickers by clicking on stickers at the bottom right corner. Search for the specific stickers or you can add from here. Once you have added, now if you want to see more features, then what you want to do is simply click on the video that you are editing. Now other features will also be visible to you. At the bottom, you can see different menus: split, volume, speed, adjust, delete, filters, and many more. From there, you can adjust the video and edit the video as per your need. After that, you can tap on export at the top right corner and the video will be exported into a gallery. After that, you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can use Edits and Instagram apps. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.